Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today, as you saw in the title of the video, I am going to be sharing an easy oven baked ribs recipe with you guys. So here I am defrosting the meat, and as always, meat has zero carbs unless it's like a packaged meat, so be on the lookout for any carbs in like any lunch meats, but these ribs have zero carbs, so I'm just placing it in the sink with the plastic on, of course, and I'm just defrosting the meat. So now that they are defrosted, I am going to get ready to boil these ribs. So same concept as my chicken wing video. I boil the meat first, and then I season it. So I'm just cutting that in half so that it fits inside this pot that I will be using. And of course you can boil the water in advance, but I did not do that. So I am just filling it up with water, and then I am going to get it boiling. And the point of this is that we want to cook the meat before we put it in the oven. The only time, or the only thing that I want happening in the oven is for it to be crispy and, you know, finish getting all delicious in the oven, but I do want to cook it prior to that. So that is why I am boiling the ribs first. So I am now preheating the oven to 450. I always cook my meats at 450, whether it's pork chops, ribs, chicken. That's just a number or temperature that works for me. So now the ribs are boiled, so they are cooked. I lined my pan here with aluminum foil, and then I sprayed some non-stick cooking spray just to make sure that nothing sticks. And I am going to now be seasoning the ribs. So I'm using my adobo, my sazon, my chicken bouillon, and I've listed, or I've spoken a little bit about these seasonings in my chicken video, but this is what I use to season all my meats: garlic and herb seasoning. And here, all the seasoning is on the ribs. I did cut them so that I'm able to coat all sides with seasoning. So here you can see everything is nice and seasoned and fully cooked. So if I take a bite from these ribs right now, there's no raw meat. So that is the goal here. So now they are going to go in the oven nice and seasoned, and I will be putting them in the oven for 35 minutes. And then halfway through, about 15 minutes in, you do want to flip them. And here they are 35 minutes later, looking amazing, just super simple. And I don't know, it's like one of those recipes that you cannot mess up. Like, how could you mess up this this recipe? Definitely is super simple, and that's how I like my recipes to be. Just my go-tos are just things that aren't gonna take forever, that I don't have to babysit. So yeah, so this is another low carb dinner option. My family is going to be eating this, or I serve them rice with baked beans, but for myself, I'm going to be having it with spring mix and some dressing. And you can do ranch or any other low carb dressing. So yeah, this is it, and I hope that you guys are able to make this recipe and comment down below if you do try it. And this is dinner for tonight. So I will be sharing a lot more recipes with you guys, and thank you so much for sticking around. I know I've been MIA, but I will definitely be making more videos. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye.